This is this is the day that Jay Wayne is going to be blessed. And Jay Wayne's aunt, Shauna, is holding him right now. Okay, show him, Shauna.
It's like his Grandpa Edwards.
And
he does right there.
Does he? How neat.
This is going to be a little bit too long.
I can't even see his face. Oh, there I can.
That's okay. Pull it down a little bit.
Okay,
And there's his proud mom. And she looks pretty this morning. She doesn't look like she's traveled 300 miles.
It feels like that.
Okay, say a prayer so we can go.
Okay. Don't get in a rush.
I'm nervous.
You'll be there before everybody else is anyway.
I want to make sure it's clean his face.
Okay, now who's this? Is this Jay Wayne's cousin?
Yes,
Kimberly.
this is Kimberly.
Jay Wayne's cousin, Kimberly. Okay.
His oldest girl cousin. Mom?
No, I'm always
Grandma saw a bird right here. Mom? Grandpa saw a bird. That fork's right there. Hold it.
How you doing, Dean?
Alright.
Back up
Get out,
a little
Amy.
bit.
That's fine.
Okay.
I like pictures.
This is not a picture, it's a movie.
Where's she at?
And there's Dennis.
You can't say it was a bad shot.
That's true.
It's a real
It
thing.
was a bad roll.
Hold, are you nursing him?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and don't hold him up.
You don't want to put that down in history. There's Chris. There's Chris.
Chris.
Dad?
I'll go over and get Gina swinging them before she knows. Don't let her know.
There's Randy, or Jeff. And there's,
Oh, there's Shauna and Grandma. Laugh.
yeah, there's Betty and Shauna. And Betty's friend, Creel Colford's brother's wife. There's a better picture of Jeff. This is after the blessing and people are all starting to leave. We had a good dinner. Everybody brought something.
You know what you told Don? Don Lee? My hair was dirty, so we cut it off.
Gotcha.
Do I remember what?
Ha 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 ha. I want to see your foot. I don't think we have a picture of her foot yet.
Mom is finally done with the dishes after 2 hours of extenuating work. Looks nice. Finally. New out. His blessing day. He was good during the blessing.
Got hiccups. And they
Did he?
about threw me up. You didn't hear him?
He got hiccups?
He got hiccups. Did you hear him go?
It's him right now.
I know. And Chris says, no, don't put it on until Christmas time.
But then it will be out of it.
Yeah. Because look, Betty, it just barely
This is Gina's and Heather's favorite pastime. There's Margene, Bonnie, and Betty was there. They've been playing Pictionary. And right there, those two girls right there with their heads down. The reason their heads down is they cheat.
We did not!
They don't like to acknowledge who they really
You're
are.
just a sore loser. We did not cheat.
But however, they do win all their games.
Oh, they're saying.
We did not. We lost yesterday.
I know you must have got your little things mixed up.
Oh, this means tomorrow.
There's the third party.
Yep.
And did you win, Betty?
We won the first time.
We won first.
Oh, did you really? Good. Did you win?
I lost both times.
Did you win, Shauna?
Yeah, I remember.
We're on our way to go see the Messiah. Are you guys coming?
Yeah, we're going to come. But it starts, I don't know whether it
Starts at 8 o'clock.
Hi, Dad.
This is Justin's new way of taking a bath.
The relaxation.
He loves it. Justin's 4.5 weeks. Yesterday was his blessing. All of his friends and family were here to celebrate it with him.
you are, Justin. Fun, huh? Justin, look up here. There you are. Look. Oh. Okay, Justin.
The ride's over.
Now you're gonna get out, and it's gonna be hard. How you like it? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Don't get out.
My answer? Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
There's that darn cough and cold I have.
There's him after his bath's over in his cute little animal outfit. He's so happy that the bath's over and everything's fine. Oh, you're so cute, Justin. Okay.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Bye.
Wave.
Goodbye, Dad.
Hey, Justin. This is Justin on the 3rd of November. He's happy to be alive. He just ate and he's about ready to burp. He is a lot of fun.
He has a cold.
He has a little cold. He's gonna be okay. Looks like he's ready to go to sleep right now. His eyes are getting heavy. There he goes. Now Justin's got a new toy. That's what Grandma bought for him. It's a swinging crib. Swing-o-matic crib. Justin likes it. Get him swinging there. There it goes. Alright, he's swinging. But he really likes that. That puts him right to sleep. The crib, of course, put Justin to sleep, but now he's waking back up. There he is. He likes it.